Okay, from a fighting stance, first thing that happens, the knee comes up. And simultaneously, as the knee's coming up, the foot that he's standing on is going to pivot, and he's going to end up stacking his kicking hip on top of his standing hip. The part that makes contact is the instep of the foot or the top of the foot. This takes a lot of practice. Alright, from the side, first thing, here comes the knee up, the rotation, and contact with the instep. This is not an easy kick to learn. Don't get discouraged. It takes a lot of repetition. If you don't have the stretch, it's okay. Just do it lower. Just keep working it. Keep working the mechanics. Keep stretching. And eventually you'll get there. Martial arts is not some magic trick that we can teach you. Martial arts takes a lot of years of dedication, a lot of practice. Most people don't get through it. Maybe 2 in every 100 go on to get a black belt. But if you have what it takes and you can put the practice in, you can get good at it.